Hey guys, it's me. Oh my god. Right now, it's raining. And oh my god, you should have saw it earlier. Earlier was like crazy. And by crazy, it was really raining. Storm. Oh, I think we're gonna have bad weather, even though it's summer. It should be like this when it's like, I don't know, spring, fall. Oh my god, I think we're gonna have bad summer. I'm gonna go to the road and see how it is. You guys might know I'm wearing my PJs. Well, because I'm sick. The sky is blue, like right over there. But it looks like, well, I don't get it why. It's raining over here. You can see it is raining. And I guess the rain's gonna stop soon. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this recording here. I don't know why I recorded this. This is dumb. I may or may not upload this. I think I will. So yeah, bye guys. I'm gonna see you in the next couple of weeks or days. Because I'm gonna be busy. And aside from my friends, yeah, if I wasn't chatting or talking to you in person again, I'm really sorry. I hope you can understand. But I'm really busy up to the moment. I might go into vacations. I might take you guys with me. Whoa. So yeah, hope you see my vacation videos and like or comment or subscribe. So yeah, I think I'm gonna see you later. Bye guys. Peace and have a wonderful day. Love you.